Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Bilal Consultancy, your go-to channel for business and management insights. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. What is Hoshin Kanri and how to develop it step by step? So, let's dive right into it. What is Hoshin Kanri? Hoshin Kanri is a Japanese phrase that means compass management. It is a strategic planning and management process that helps organizations achieve their long-term goals by aligning everyone in the company around a standard set of objectives. Hoshin Kanri is a top-down approach, with the goals being mandated by management and the implementation being performed by employees. As a result, systems need to be in place to ensure that objectives from senior management are effectively communicated all the way down the chain of command. As such, a catch-all system is often used in order to aid in the execution of the strategic plan. A catch-all system seeks to get the opinions of both managers and employees through meetings and interactions in order to ensure the bidirectional flow of goals, feedback, and other information throughout the organization. Hoshin Kanri is based on the following key principles. Alignment. Everyone in the organization should be aligned around the same goals and objectives. Focus. The organization should focus on the most important things. Continuous improvement. The organization should continuously improve its performance. Hoshin Kanri is a cyclical process, with the following steps. Establish a vision and mission. What does the organization want to achieve in the long term? Develop breakthrough objectives. Breakthrough objectives are ambitious goals that will have a significant impact on the organization's performance. Break down breakthrough objectives into annual goals. Once breakthrough objectives have been developed, they need to be broken down into smaller, more manageable annual goals. Deploy annual goals throughout the organization. Once annual goals have been developed, they need to be deployed throughout the organization. This means communicating the goals to all employees and ensuring that everyone understands their role in achieving them. Implement annual goals and track progress. Once annual goals have been deployed, they need to be implemented and progress needs to be tracked. This includes setting up action plans, assigning tasks, and monitoring results. Review and adjust goals regularly. Hoshin Kanri is a cyclical process, so it's important to review and adjust goals regularly. This will help the organization stay on track and achieve its desired results. Hoshin Kanri has been used by a wide range of organizations, including Toyota, Honda, and Sony. It is a powerful tool that can help organizations achieve their long-term goals by aligning everyone in the company around a common set of objectives and promoting a culture of continuous improvement. Here are some examples of how Hoshin Kanri can be used to improve an organization's performance. A hospital might use Hoshin Kanri to improve patient satisfaction by reducing wait times and improving the quality of care. A manufacturing company might use Hoshin Kanri to improve product quality and reduce costs. A retail company might use Hoshin Kanri to increase sales and improve customer service. Hoshin Kanri can be used by organizations of all sizes and in all industries. It is a flexible tool that can be adapted to meet the specific needs of each organization. Benefits of Hoshin Kanri. Improved alignment and communication. Hoshin Kanri helps to create a shared vision and understanding of the organization's goals and objectives across all levels and departments. This can lead to improved communication and collaboration, as everyone is working towards the same common goals. Hoshin Kanri also helps to break down silos and encourage cross-functional collaboration. Increased focus. Hoshin Kanri helps organizations to focus on the most important things. By identifying and prioritizing breakthrough objectives, organizations can direct their resources to the areas that will have the biggest impact on their performance. This can help to improve efficiency and effectiveness and reduce waste and duplication of effort. Continuous improvement. Hoshin Kanri is a cyclical process that includes regular reviews and adjustments. This helps organizations to identify and address problems early, and to make necessary changes to their plans in order to stay on track. Hoshin Kanri also helps to promote a culture of continuous improvement. As everyone in the organization is encouraged to look for ways to improve their work and contribute to the achievement of the organization's goals. Additional benefits of Hoshin Kanri. Improved employee morale and engagement. Hoshin Kanri can help to improve employee morale and engagement by giving employees a clear understanding of the organization's goals and objectives, and by empowering them to contribute to their achievement. Increased customer satisfaction, by focusing on the most important things and continuously improving its performance. Hoshin Kanri can help organizations improve customer satisfaction. Enhanced financial performance, by improving efficiency and effectiveness, reducing waste, and increasing customer satisfaction. Hoshin Kanri can help organizations improve their financial performance. Overall, Hoshin Kanri is a powerful tool that can help organizations achieve their long-term goals by aligning everyone in the company around a common set of objectives and promoting a culture of continuous improvement. Step-by-step guide to developing Hoshin Kanri. 1. Establish a vision and mission. What does your organization want to achieve in the long term? What are your core values and beliefs? Once you have a clear understanding of your vision and mission, you can start to develop breakthrough objectives that will help you to achieve them. 2. Develop breakthrough objectives. Breakthrough objectives are ambitious goals that will have a significant impact on your organization's performance. They should be challenging but achievable, and they should be aligned with your vision and mission. 3. Break down breakthrough objectives into annual goals. Once you have developed your breakthrough objectives, you need to break them down into smaller, more manageable annual goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. 4. Deploy annual goals throughout the organization. Once you have developed your annual goals, you need to deploy them throughout the organization. This means communicating the goals to all employees and ensuring that everyone understands their role in achieving them. You can use a variety of methods to deploy goals, such as town hall meetings, email, and intranet postings. 5. Implement annual goals and track progress. Once your annual goals have been deployed, you need to implement them and track progress. This includes setting up action plans, assigning tasks, and monitoring results. You can use a variety of tools and techniques to track progress, such as project management software, performance dashboards, and regular review meetings. 6. Review and adjust goals regularly. Hoshin Kanri is a cyclical process, so it's important to review and adjust your goals regularly. This will help you to stay on track and achieve your desired results. You can review your goals at a variety of frequencies, such as quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. Additional tips for developing Hoshin Kanri. Involve all employees. Hoshin Kanri is most effective when it is a collaborative process that involves all employees at all levels of the organization. Use data to inform your decisions. When setting breakthrough objectives and annual goals, it's important to use data to inform your decisions. This will help you to make sure that your goals are realistic and achievable. Be flexible. The business world is constantly changing, so it's important to be flexible with your Hoshin Kanri plan. Be prepared to review and adjust your goals as needed. Hoshin Kanri can be a powerful tool for helping organizations to achieve their long-term goals. By following the steps outlined above, you can develop and implement Hoshin Kanri in your own organization. Additional considerations. Hoshin Kanri is for everyone. Hoshin Kanri is not as well known or popular as some of the other lean tools, but it is an extremely valuable tool. Although this policy deployment method fits most naturally within a well-developed lean culture, where continuous improvement is firmly ingrained at all levels of a company, virtually any organization can benefit from its core principles. Visionary strategic planning, focusing on the things that really matter. Catchball, building workable plans through consensus. Measuring progress, carefully selecting KPIs that will drive the desired behavior. Closing the loop, using regular follow-up to keep progress on track. Hoshin Kanri is a powerful tool that can help organizations to achieve their long-term goals. By following the steps outlined above, you can develop and implement Hoshin Kanri in your own organization. Thank you for watching this video on Hoshin Kanri. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on business improvement and management.